Leo, I fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to fix that and heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is the goodness that's surrounding in you. Look at the character carving. Look at your personality. Look at the new being that you are. You're not the same person you were a year ago, 5 years ago. A person that had a heavy burden, maybe looked at life in a harsh way. But you're seeing that God is on your side. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Energy, Jesus Christ is on your side. And you're understanding how to work with life. Life is a certain way. There are rules of the universe. We cannot change the rules, but we can learn them, work with them, and they work for our benefit. So understand and give yourself credit for not only the person that you are, but the person that you evolved to be and who you're evolving to. I refine my character and overcome difficulties by remaining positive. Rules of the universe, our bodies are magnets. We only attract what we give out, and what we say we give out, that's what we're saying we want. Negative energy, burden, grudge, anger, resentment, we're asking for trials, tribulations, and lessons because we're not being grateful for the great things we have. But when you're grateful, the smallest source of gratitude, laughing at yourself, being able to laugh, talk, write your name in print, be able to walk, stand up, to be able to breathe, there's superpowers that we take for granted. That these are small sources that make a great big difference to stay into a positive frequency. Positive energy brings positive blessings and manifestations and breakthroughs. I calm my heart and I illuminate my intellect because you're a genius. And when you're calm, you make royal decisions. That's why you're the king, the queen, the Raj, the emperor, because you're here to lead your people, lead your kingdom. But when you're calm, have a calm heart, you make great decisions. When you're flustered, when your fire is like a wildfire where you can burn up the entire kingdom, you don't make the best decisions. You make decisions that are not, I won't say terrible, but you want to make effective ones that are not only great for you, but for those that are around you, and make your life much easier. I transform shadow into light. My conscious manifests goodness in and around me, and I improve all the qualities for the benefit of all, not only yourself, but those, because you do care about those that are around you that you're accountable for. So you're doing that. So hone in on to that, look in the mirror and say, wow, you're doing a great job. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, and please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.